Alright, boys and girls, this is what we're going to be drawing today. Pikachu in action. Alright, take out your sheet of paper, take out your pencils. This is what we're going to be learning today. We're going to apply the lines, the shapes, the colors, and the new vocabulary words. Sizes, values, and direction. Those are the three new vocabulary words we're going to be using. I want you to really listen in and take notice of all these elements of art that we're using in our drawing today, right? So your first step that you're going to do is you are going to draw this shape right here, right? What shape is that, right? That is the element of shape, right? Also line, right? Because we use lines to make circles or shapes. Okay? Step 2. When you make the ears, you're gonna use it in a certain direction, right? The lines, that is. Right? So the lines are gonna go up and to the right and back down, right? And then, the value of the element of art value, where we shade in the ears and we make it really, really dark, right? For the ears. Okay, and there's other ear, right? Right on. There we go. Look at that. Wow, shade that in. So we got direction and value that we're using. Here we go. We got sizes now, right? For the eyes, right? So we got this somewhat of a circle for the eyes. We make a flat diagonal line here and then curved lines for the eyes, and then a small circle right here for the eyeball, and then we shade that in, right? So value and size, lines. So we're using the elements of art there. I'm going to get the other eye. Wow. Make a diagonal line and a small circle there. And then we call this medium circles for the eyeballs, and the mouth is a medium circle because the head is a large circle, right? So the small, medium, and large, right? Those three vocabulary words we use for sizes. Curved lines for the cheek, circle for the other cheek, right? Wow. Okay, so you're seeing the element of size in there, or sizes, right? Now we're going to get the body, okay? Right on. We got to get the diagonal slanted lines, and then 5 zigzag lines for his 5 fingers, right? And a nice curved line for his belly or his body, right? Slanted line up, zigzag lines for the fingers. Bingo. Nice. Now we got his full body. Pikachu's coming together. We're gonna get his feet now, right? Which are made out of ovals, curved lines, or ovals. So the element of lines and shape. Slanted lines, right? Which are going in a certain direction, right? So you see, we're using direction, value, and sizes, right? Along with lines and shape. All right, so now we got his tail. And his tail are made out of zigzag lines, right? But when you make these lines, you gotta notice the direction. Horizontal, vertical lines, and slanted lines, right? Check it out again. I make this horizontal line, left and right lines, vertical lines, kind of vertical slanted, and then a horizontal line here, a nice vertical line. So notice the direction goes to the right. It's horizontal, goes up or down, and slanted to the right. Okay, so we got direction there. Very important element of art. Right? And again, value. Right? We're going to add in some shading there. Right by the cheek. Kind of use the side of your pencil and just lightly shade in over there. Right? By his foot. We're going to shade in over there. Right? Using your pencil. And get that going. Right on. And now we're going to add wavy lines and circles for the power source. Right? We got this circle in here. We got these wavy lines that goes around. And then the power source comes out. And it's really now just the energy's powering up. Ready to blast off, right? Look at that. Whoa, right on. Look at that. All right. So we got shape, line, direction, value, sizes. We got 5 vocabulary words. We're missing one. What is it? What is it, boys and girls? That's right. Color. Or colors. Right? So now you're going to grab your yellow. Right? And you're going to color in Pikachu. Right? So go for it. Start coloring them in. Take your time. Stay inside the lines if you can. If you can't, don't worry about it. Try your best. Right? Stay in one direction when you color. I'm going in a diagonal direction. I'm going to continue to color in that same direction. If you can't get into the corners, you're going to have to switch directions. Do that. But majority of the time, you're coloring in one direction. Right on. I'm even going over the shadows or the value, the dark areas, because it's still going to remain dark. Right? Right on. Look at that. Get the feet. So start coloring in Pikachu in action, right? And you can start adding in the background, maybe a blue background, because it looks like he's flying in the sky and going down, or he jumped. So the background will be majority sky. I don't know. It all depends on how you look at it, right? Color him in and have a good old time. All right, boys and girls. You can finish that up. I can't wait to see your work. Utilize those elements of art. Express yourself and have a great old time making Pikachu in action. Alright, you guys, continue coloring. Color the background. Have fun with it. And express yourself. God bless you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy.